Welcome to Yester Quickies, a speedy culinary trip back in time. Today, we're traveling to 1972 to discover the Frappe Cocktail. You're gonna love it. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Jill and this is Yester Kitchen. I've got another quickie for you. Today we are gonna have a cocktail. But today's a really special day here at Yester Kitchen. I am starting the holidays. So from now on to the end of the year, you're gonna get holiday specific dishes, cocktails, appetizers, desserts, all kinds of things from the past that you're just gonna love. So today, of course, you know we have to start with a cocktail. So today we're doing a frappe. The frappes have been around since the 1800s, but they were very huge in the 70s. This particular one is right out of 1972. It's customizable. You're gonna love it. 2 steps, promise. First thing is we have a very pretty glass. You can pick whatever kind of glass you like. And we fill it with crushed ice. If your refrigerator crushes ice, all the better. If not, just put some ice in a Ziploc bag, take your little meat mallet, not the sharp side, but the smooth side, chop, 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 you're good to go. You really don't want it to be a snow cone, so it's not shaved ice, it's more crushed ice, but if shaved is all you have, go for it, it's still gonna be fabulous. Now all you do is take this cute little shameless self-plug shot glass, and you fill it with your favorite colored liqueur. I happen to like melon. So I'm gonna pour melon. Some other great things in there would be creme de menthe. Blue curacao would be gorgeous in this. And if you just go to your local liquor store, you're gonna see a rainbow of liqueurs. Pick out your favorite. I happen to think this is Halloween. Kind of reminds me of slime, so I think this is gonna be perfect. Even with me spilling. All you do, woo, pour it in without spilling. I think you're gonna do much better than me. And then I have 2 cherries. You can really just lay them on top if you like. Actually, I'm gonna do that because then they kind of look like eyeballs and we've got the Halloween theme going. You can also put in a toothpick if you like. And then all you do is you take a couple straws, put them down in the bottom, and that's it. You've got a frappe. Super, super chilled liqueur. It's fabulous. You got a little sweet treat at the end. So happy Halloween, everyone. This is just easy, impress your guests. Super wonderful, and oh, this is just a great one to try. Thanks for stopping by. You can share your recipes or make your requests by joining my Facebook group. Have you made one of my dishes? I would love to see it. Tag me on Instagram. Happy Halloween, and I'll see you in the next video.